Welcome. My name's Dr. Greg Eisert. I'm with Victoria Property Group, powered by eXp Realty. Today, I'm standing inside Unit 102 at 1405 Esquimalt Road. This 2-bedroom plus den, 2-bath, 2-car garage townhome is going to tick off all your boxes. Please come join me. Let's have a closer look at your next home. Well, hi everybody. I hope you enjoyed the tour. I'm currently standing on this beautiful expansive rooftop deck, which has amazing glimpses of the ocean and all the scenery has to offer. If you have any questions about this property, please feel free to reach out to me. Again, my name is Dr. Greg Eisert and my phone number 250-415-1078. Thanks for stopping by.